This train is actually floating on air. Yeah, floating on air. It became the world's fastest train, running at 600 km per hour, called superconductive magnetic levitating train. This tech is not any kind of futuristic. It has been in human use since 1980s, but it is extremely costly. And that's why economy can't afford this, and government organizations ignore this. It is now floating on Japan, China, and more kind of some countries. But by floating, it is reducing maintenance costs because of no frictions with land and making great speed. If you want to see the full detailed video, do subscribe and follow me on channel with big detailed video. Bye bye.